A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially all the esteemed dignitaries and invitees who are present here in the International Convention Hall of BSE, along with all those who have joined us virtually in these new normal circumstances for this special event, listing of GR Infra Projects Limited, an integrated road engineering, procurement and construction EPC company with experience in design and construction of various road and highway projects across 15 states in India and having recently diversified into the railway sector. BSE के इस शानदार सभागार में उपस्थित साथ ही जो वर्चुअली हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं उन सभी का मैं मानसी तहेदिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. As the world is opening up and as we are inching back to new normalcy, slowly, steadily, but surely, this listing ceremony is happening physically, of course, adhering to all the protocol directives and guidelines as issued by the authorities. As there is restriction to the number of people gathering, many have joined us virtually. Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin by welcoming the esteemed dignitaries with bouquets of flowers, starting with Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited. Sir, please step towards the center near the lamp. Sir, यहाँ पे आए. Thank you. Shri Ramdev Agarwal, Chairman, Motilal Oswal Financial Securities. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE. Shri Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities Limited. Shri Rakesh Singh, Group Head Investment Banking, Private Banking, Marketing and Products, HDFC Bank Limited. Shri Sunil Amin, Executive Director, Equity Capital Markets, Kotak Investment. Shri Abhijit Tare, MD and CEO, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Shri Prateek Indwar, Executive VP and Group Head, Investment Banking, SBI Capital Markets Limited. And Shri Ajay Garg, Managing Director, Equirus Capital Private Limited. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर आयोजन का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the inauguration will be done by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. I request Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited, शकुंतला देवी जी, उनकी बहन, साथ ही सूची मित्तल जी, श्री रामदेव अग्रवाल जी, श्री आशीष कुमार चौहान, दीपेन लोकान जयति दीपस्तेजोमयः स्मृतः चतुर्वर्गप्रदो दीपन तस्मात् दीप यजेत प्रिये. This couplet that I recited translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, Its light imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha, that is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure, and finally, emancipation. This is the significance of lighting a lamp, and hence, a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है. Thank you. The lamp being lit, the program being inaugurated, I request all you dignitaries to kindly take your seats while I call upon Shri Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities Limited, for the opening address.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of GR Infra Projects Limited. It's a great pleasure to be sharing the platform with the dignitaries, Mr. Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Mr. Ajendra Kumar ji, Anand ji, Ramdev ji, Ashish ji, and other esteemed dignitaries associated with the company, who along with the very accomplished team achieved a historic milestone today. Incorporated in 1995, GR Infra is an integrated road EPC player with a strong execution track record and backed by an experienced management team and a very marquee private equity team as well. We are extremely proud of our association with GR Infra and in helping them to bring to the public markets through a recently concluded very successful IPO. The unprecedented interest shown by investor is a testament to the company's focused integrated road EPC model, its proven track record, and the vast experience and expertise of its promoters. The recently concluded public issue of rupees 962 crores has got phenomenal interest from all categories of investors. The anchor was oversubscribed by multiple times and was allotted to prominent FIIs and DIIs. Similarly, in QIB category, that got subscribed by 169 times with interest from high-quality institutional investors. The HNI subscription was 237 times and retail subscription of 11 times, resulting into overall oversubscription of 102 times, which is the highest subscription for any company in last 2 decades for this sector. The promoters have built this company with passion, and I'm sure that the company will continue to grow within the EPC space and leverage its competencies to outperform in the sector. On this auspicious and momentous occasion of listing, on behalf of ICICI Securities and other book-running lead managers to the issues, I would like to convey our best wishes to the company for all its successes in its coming years and its endeavor towards creating value for its new investors. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Saraf, for the initial remarks. And I will now request Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited, to address this august audience and all those who have joined us virtually. Shri Agarwal.
नमस्कार. CMD श्री आशीष कुमार चौहान साहब, आदरणीय भाई साहब रामदेव जी अग्रवाल साहब और मेरे सभी साथी, सभी बैंकर्स, लॉयर्स, GR परिवार से सारे लोग, आज ये जो इस मुकाम पे पहुँचे हैं, 1965 में हमारे पिताजी श्री गुमानी राम जी अग्रवाल द्वारा एक छोटे से गांव से ये जो जर्नी शुरू की गई थी, आज हम एक इस मुकाम पे पहुँचे हैं कि आज हम उनको याद करते हुए और आप सबका इस मुकाम पे हमें साथ देने के लिए मैं सबसे पहले आज जो इस बीएससी में जो ये हो रहा है आज कार्यक्रम, इसके लिए, इस मुकाम पे पहुंचाने के लिए मेरे सभी साथियों का बहुत तहे दिल से मैं सबका धन्यवाद देता हूं। और आप लोगों ने जो हमें इस मुकाम पे पहुंचा है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं सबसे पहले बीएससी के एमडी साहब श्री आशीष कुमार चौहान साहब, जिनके गाइडेंस में इतना जल्दी ये सब कार्यक्रम संपन्न हो पाया, मैं उनका धन्यवाद देता हूं। फिर हमारे जो बैंकर्स ने हमें इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया, इतना ज़्यादा गाइड किया, मैं सभी बैंकर्स, खास करके एचडीएफसी बैंक, जिन राकेश सिंह जी की टीम, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक अजय सराफ जी की टीम, मोतीलाल ओसवाल जी की टीम, कोटक बैंक की टीम सुनील अमीन जी, एसबीआई से प्रतीक इंदिवर जी की टीम, एक्वेरिस से अजय गर्ग जी की टीम, इन लोगों ने हमें पूरा गाइड किया और त्वरित बहुत जल्दी हमें इस चीज़ के लिए, इस लिस्टिंग के लिए जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और सब जो तैयार किए, मैं सबको तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इसके साथ ही हमारी जो लॉ फर्म है खेतान एंड कंपनी, जेएसए लीगल, ऑडिटर फर्म बीएसआर एंड कंपनी श्री रुपेन शाह जी की टीम, पी टीम मोतीलाल ओसवाल जी, रामदेव जी अग्रवाल, विशाल जी तुलशान, विशाल गुप्ता जी, प्रकाश जी बागला, सब ने, इन लोगों के साथ जो हमारी 10 साल की जो यात्रा रही, मैं इन लोगों सबसे उम्मीद करता हूं कि इन्होंने जो पिछले 10 साल में हमें जो गाइड किया, जो हमें इन लोगों के साथ हमने जो ग्रो किया, आगे भी हमें अपने जो अनुभव और हमें ये गाइड करते रहेंगे। और मैं समझता हूं कि इनके गाइडेंस में ही कंपनी आज इस मुकाम पे पहुंची है। मैं तहे दिल से आप सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं। हमारे जो रजिस्ट्रार हैं के फिनटेक, उनका मैं भी बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। पीआर एजेंसी कंसेप्ट, उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया। और इसके साथ ही इस मुकाम पे पहुंचाने के लिए जो हमारी जो ग्रिल की जो टीम है, जीआर इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स की टीम है, आईपीओ की टीम के साथ साथ हमारी जो मेन एग्जीक्यूशन की टीम, हमारे सीएफओ आनंद राठी, मैं उनका तहे दिल से और मैं इनको करता हूं कि उन्होंने हमें सिखाया कि आज एक कंपनी को बनाने के लिए किस तरह से फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन रखा जाता है और ये डिसिप्लिन किस तरह ज़रूरी है। ये उन्होंने और उनकी टीम ने हमें सिखाया। हम लोग एक छोटे से गांव से आए थे और इस यात्रा में, इस मुकाम पे, इस एक बहुत अच्छी एक मुकाम पे हमें पहुंचा है। इसमें आनंद जी की टीम के साथ साथ जो मेन हमारे जो एग्जीक्यूशन की टीम है, क्यों कोर हमारा बिजनेस जो एग्जीक्यूशन है, हम लोग हमारे जो टीम में शामिल हुए पिछले 10 साल में, मिस्टर आरसी जैन, सुनील जी अग्रवाल, AK चौहान जी, कश्यप जी, इन लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत, हम लोग तो सिंपल सड़क बनाना जानते थे, लेकिन इन्होंने कैसे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप किया जाए, किस तरह से बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम किया जाए, इन लोगों ने एक टीम तैयार की। उसके साथ ही मैं सबसे पहले हमारे जो माँ जैसी बहन बैठी है, उनका आशीर्वाद, हमारे माँ पिताजी, हमारे बच्चे और हमारे जो परिवार के सदस्य हैं, मैं उनके बिना ये यात्रा उन्होंने जो किया मेरे पे, मैं एक सिंपल, एक साधारण, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हमारी एजुकेशन नहीं, लेकिन हमारे जो परिवार के सदस्यों ने हमें जो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, जो राम का जो परिवार, जो रामायण का जो परिवार, उस तरह से हमें जो रिस्पेक्ट मिला हमारे परिवार से, तो उसके बिना इस मुकाम पे पहुंचना मुश्किल था। आज हमारे परिवार के जो 35 सदस्य हैं, सब एकजुट होके और इस कंपनी के लिए, इस परिवार के लिए और देश के लिए एक ईमानदारी से काम करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो मैं सबको तहे दिल से इस मंच से सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं, सबका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। और मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, हम देश हित में काम कर रहे हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए। तो मेन जो सबसे मुख्य है, सरकार का जो विज़न है, हम लोगों ने जो पिछले 7 साल में, 8 साल में जो हमने प्रगति की है, वो सरकार के सहयोग के बिना ये संभव नहीं था। तो ये सरकार का जो विज़न है कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, देश का विकास, इसके कारण ही हम लोग ये आज इस मुकाम पे पहुंच पाए हैं। तो मैं सबसे साथ सभी पूरे सरकार में जो हमारे जो टीम है, जो हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, हमारे मंत्री जी, उनके आशीर्वाद और उनके विज़न के बिना ये संभव नहीं था। तो मैं सबका ये जो आज इस मुकाम पे पहुंचे हैं, सबको तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं। मेरे से कोई छूटे हों तो मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा। और इस यात्रा में इतने लोग हैं, हमारे आज 17,000 एम्प्लॉई हैं, उन सब का भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उनके बिना इस मुकाम पे पहुँचना मुश्किल था। धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू।
बीएससी में उपस्थित सारे मान्यवर और साथ ही वर्चुअली जो हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं उन सभी को आपने संबोधित किया इस अवसर पर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I will now invite Shri Ramdev Agarwal, Chairman Motilal Oswal Financial Services, to address the audience on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion. Shri Agarwal.
Good morning, friends. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here, this beautiful hall and historic hall, where it's always pleasure to stand here in this podium. And that too on the occasion of GR Infra's listing. So it's a double kind of a proud moment for me. And this is a company which is, I mean, in many respects, very unique. I mean, you must have heard that it's a completely family company run with a lot of values and into a sector which is very tough, and yet the opportunity is gigantic. So this is a company which is being launched to be a corporate, and it is a work in progress to become a very large corporate in years to come. Right now, it's a family-owned business company. With their sweat and toil, it has become a large billion-dollar company, and I'm sure it is with their ambition and hard work and passion to serve the nation and passion to build a company of a large size, I think above all, value system, terrific value system. I think these combination of management traits and the large opportunity and their deep understanding of the business, I think it is going to give birth to a company which we'll be proud of in next 10 years. We have done journey of 10 years with them, and I wish all the success to Vinodji and his 17,000 people team, and we will do everything whatever is possible at any point of time in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Agarwalji, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. And now I invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, BSE, for his address. Sir.
Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Shri Ajay Sharaf, Shri Ramdev Agarwal, Shri Rakesh Singh, other friends from the merchant banking families. A very good morning to everyone present at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listing of GR Infra Projects, an integrated EPC company with experience in design and construction of various roads, highway projects across 14 states in India. A very warm welcome to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange, which provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, derivatives, commodities, interest rates, distribution of mutual funds, insurance, stock lending, borrowing, and now agricultural products. The BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 7.3 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,700 companies listed on BSE platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. It also boasts of more than $3 trillion of listed market capitalization, putting it amongst the top exchanges in the world in terms of market capitalization. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on BSE, GR Infra Projects will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investors base, which we hope will support the business plans of GR Infra. The IPO book built public issue consisted of 1 crore 15 lakh 8,704 equity shares of rupees 5 each in the price band of rupees 822 to rupees 837, aggregating to rupees 962.33 crores. The issue was subscribed 103.01 times overall, with 11.45 times in the retail category, 168.77 times in the QIB category, and 237.15 times in the NII category, making it an extremely successful IPO. I congratulate the management of GR Infra Projects, merchant bankers, HDFC Bank, ICC Securities, Kotak Mahindra Capital, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, SBI Capital Markets, Equirus Capital, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continue being GR Infra Projects' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you for coming today morning.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for putting the glorious journey of BSE in a nutshell for all present, right from its establishment to all the major accomplishments and milestones along the way. Time now for memento presentation. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, will present a memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited. So please step up on the stage and accept this memento from Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, BSE. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a replica of the gong, as you can see on the stage. Thank you. I invite Shri Ramdev Agarwal, Chairman, Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Sir, please. You can come from either ways. Thank you. Shri Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities Limited. Shri Rakesh Singh, Group Head Investment Banking, Private Banking, Marketing and Products, HDFC Bank Limited. Thank you. Shri Sunil Amin, Executive Director, Equity Capital Markets, Kotak Investment Banking. Shri Abhijit Tare, MD, CEO, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Thank you. Shri Prateek Indwar, Executive Vice President and Group Head, Investment Banking, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Shri Ajay Garg, Managing Director, Equirus Capital Private Limited. Thank you. I request Ashish sir to please stay back and invite Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited, to present a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSC, in reciprocation now. Thank you, Ashish sir. I request Shri Vinod Agarwal to please present the remaining mementos, beginning with Shri Ramdev Agarwal, Chairman, Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Thank you. Shri Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities Limited. Shri Rakesh Singh, Group Head Investment Banking, Private Banking, Marketing and Products, HDFC Bank Limited. Shri Sunil Amin, Executive Director, Equity Capital Markets, Kotak Investment Banking. Shri Abhijit Tare, MD and CEO, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Extra memento आहे पल्लवी extra memento आहे extra memento Shri Prateek Invar, Executive Vice President and Group Head, Investment Banking, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Shri Ajay Garg, Managing Director, Equirus Capital Private Limited. After the BRLMs, we proceed to the legal advisor, Mr. Gautam Srinivas from Khaitan and Company. The other legal advisors to the issue were JSA Legal, but nobody from their end is present here. Auditors, Mr. Rupen Shah from BSR Associates. Agency, Concept Communication Limited. Thank you. We also acknowledge the contribution and support of the registrar, K FinTech. They could not attend the event, but thank you. Thank you. You may please take your seats. The vote of thanks will now be proposed by Shri Rakesh Singh, Group Head, Investment Banking, Private Banking, Marketing and Products, HDFC Bank Limited.
Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, very proud moment to be here at this August Hall of BSE to witness the listing ceremony of GR. While the market cap will get listed in a few hours from now, it is a story of four key values this company has reflected in its own journey. We've been with Bankers to the company for 15 years. And I must compliment the company for showing four very key values in the last 15 years of journey. One is hard work. There's a lot of hard work which is actually devoted. I've been privy to seeing them work on the ground, working ahead of time for a person who started his life in the desert and going and executing in Shillong in a rainy area and executing the project ahead of time reflects their value systems completely. A value system of passion. Midst of COVID, Vinodji had COVID. He was going to project sites. He had COVID. His team had COVID. But they didn't let their passion, reduce their enthusiasm to, complete projects on time. We are one of the largest bankers. They've always seen their projects being completed ahead of time. A sense of grit is also very high. They don't give up. It's not that they've got projects. I recently had the opportunity to travel on the Panchkula, Shimla sector, which is a very tough sector to operate in because it rains and, whatever work you do, the roads gets blown away after some time, because of rains and so on. But the very gritty people, they actually executed that on time. And I had the opportunity to see it last year during March, April when I was there, right? In March, which was there. And lastly, the very important thing, this great sense of gratitude. The whole team and the whole family reflects a sense of great gratitude. In our relationships, we are very thankful to them. We are very fortunate to have clients like that. And we wish the entire GR family who is present here and the 17,000 employees and many more that the next 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 years they continue to reflect these values and retain those values to build this company. So the family which started in 1965 has a long way to go. I wish the new company which now is getting listed with I hope so, the largest market caps in the EPC companies, the very best, and we look forward to seeing the journey in our lifetime. I wish this team, GR team, all the very best. Thank you. Thank you everyone for coming in today morning. And I hope this will be a momentous occasion to remember for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Singh. I will once again request Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited, to kindly step on the stage. We have to give a memento to Shri Vishal Tulsian from Motilal Oswal Private Equity. Could I request Shri Vishal Tulsian from Motilal Oswal Private Equity to please step up on stage and accept a memento from Shri Vinod Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, GR Infra Projects Limited. Thank you, gentlemen. Could I request Shri Ajendra Agarwal, Managing Director, GR Infra Projects Limited, to please say a few words on this occasion. Shri Ajendra Agarwal.
थैंक यू मैम। सभी डिग्निटरी बैंकर्स और जीआर परिवार का मैं दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ। ये प्रातस्मरणीय हमारे पिताजी कुमानी राम जी और माँ मोहिनी देवी ने मिलके जो शुरुआत की, आज शायद वो कहीं से एक क्षण को देख रहे होंगे। ये इस परिवार के लिए, परिवार का मतलब केवल हम परिवार के 35 सदस्य नहीं, हम 17,000 कंपनी परिवार के सभी लोग उनके दिल से आभारी हैं। और इस यात्रा में जुड़े हुए सभी लोग, चाहे वो बैंकर्स हैं, चाहे वो हमारे कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, इवन बहुत से ऐसे छुपे हुए लोग भी हैं जिन्होंने इस कंपनी को चलाने में अपनी लाइफ दी, जैसे ड्राइवर्स हैं, ऑपरेटर्स हैं, उन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ दी है, शुरुआत से जुड़े हुए आज तक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं। उन सब का हृदय से धन्यवाद। ज़्यादा इस मौके पे मैं कुछ कह नहीं पाऊँगा। थैंक यू सर।
Indeed, emotional moment for the family and relatives. बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण एवं भावुक क्षण सारे परिवारजनों के लिए हम समझ सकते हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, we are fast approaching the momentous time, which is 10 o'clock sharp. We ring the gong. जिस पल का हमें इंतज़ार था वो करीब आ रहा है। I request Shri Vinod Agarwal ji is here, Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji is here. Can I request Devki Nandan Agarwal ji and Shakuntala Devi ji to please join in? Ladies and gentlemen, the ringing of the gong will mark the official listing of GR Infra Projects Limited. Join me in. सारे बाकी please बैठ जाइएगा, पीछे वीडियोग्राफी चल रही है, लाइव चल रहा है इवेंट। प्लीज ये मिडिल आइल थोड़ा सा खाली रखिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन, आपके सहयोग के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Well, join me in cheering when the 10-second countdown begins. Let us put our hands together as the timer will strike 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाएंगे। तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को सजाएंगे। It will be an honor to be introduced. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations. ढेर सारी बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामना। Many congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of GR Infra Projects on the official listing. A true honor to be welcomed on this corporate ladder. अविस्मरणीय क्षण सभी के लिए। Moments to be treasured in the form of photographs. So on that very happy note, we conclude the function. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged in the adjoining banquet hall to my left, your right. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy. This is Manasi taking your leave.